One of the most important quotes I've ever heard, and that will stick with me to the day I die, is, if it makes you happy, it doesn't have to make sense to anybody else.
Out to Cable Bay, trying to go a little adventure out here to up a hillside to a view, and I might have some lunch up there, and then we're going to head over to Cable Bay ourselves and go for a walk hopefully, so come along.
Where are you going?
Up a hillside and maybe to someone's house. We're just going up at the moment, trying to find a better view.
Going on an adventure.
We park, Mama. Mom.
We're out in Cable Bay, which is 25 minutes drive out of Nelson City. There's a venture park on the way out here, so you can do activities like quad bike rides, horse riding, mountain biking. I think you can hire mountain bikes if you don't have one, but I think it's free if you've got your own mountain bike. There's plenty of tracks of various difficulties, so a lot of afternoon fun or a whole day of fun you can have. And then the beach is about another 5-minute drive past the adventure park, and a beautiful spot to bring your dog if you've got one, or beach fire and lunch, and walk up the hill, big mountain you can walk up. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot out here.
Just arrived at Cable Bay.
Just got back into the Nelson City and decided to have a walk up Grampians because I couldn't take the dog up for a walk up Cable Bay Hill. So it's a beautiful spot up Grampians, reasonably steep, but we got about 3/4 of the way up, but the little fella decided to go home because he needed a dog smoke, eh?